Ever feel like your body's just fighting itself? Let's talk about why that happens and what to do.
You know that feeling like one shoulder's higher or you always lean one way? There's a reason for that. Okay, so here's the twist. Your body isn't actually supposed to be perfectly symmetrical. Weird, right?
Yeah, that imbalance is totally intentional. It's what helps us move, alternate, and, walk. Basically, we're built to favor our right side for pushing off and our left for support. This whole setup creates a natural rhythm, like a constant back and forth dance inside your body.
Think about walking. We're constantly shifting our weight, moving between left and right stances. That's the flow. So if alternating is natural, what's the problem? Well, sometimes we get stuck.
Healthy movement should be fluid, like this line here. The problem is getting stuck in one pattern.
Getting stuck just means we lose that ability to shift easily between our left and right sides.
Basically, your brain gets hooked on one pattern and kind of forgets how to use the other side. And this can cause some real problems. Muscle strain, fatigue, chronic pain. Sound familiar to anyone? All right, so the big question is, how do you figure out your pattern and get unstuck? First things first, this is not about guesswork. It all starts with a proper assessment from a pro. It's a simple process, really. They observe you, run some tests, and then identify the pattern. They use objective tests like these to measure exactly how you move on both your left and right sides. All these tests come together to tell a story, the specific story that your body is telling.
And once that pattern's identified, the goal is something called repositioning.
It just means guiding your body back to a neutral, resting state where muscles can finally chill out. How do we do it? Through really specific exercises that have a huge focus on breathing. And yep, that's a balloon. These exercises use your breath to kind of reset your whole system. The point is to break those dominant habits and let your brain feel something totally new. So just think, what could your body do if it found its natural rhythm again?